In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock and protect cells in Google Sheets. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just want to make sure certain parts of your spreadsheet remain unchanged, knowing how to lock cells is a crucial skill. Let's get started by opening up your Google Sheet. If you don't already have a sheet open, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Google account and then either create a new sheet or open an existing one from your drive. Once you have your sheet ready, the first thing you'll want to do is highlight the range of cells you want to protect. In this example, we'll be focusing on cells from D2 to F21. Simply click and drag your mouse across this range, and you'll see it become highlighted. This visually signifies the area that we'll be working with. Now that you have your desired cells selected, it's time to move towards setting up the protection. Direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on the tab labeled Data. This will pull down a menu with several options that help you control and manipulate the data within your Google Sheet. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option Protect Sheets and Ranges. Go ahead and click on this. What this does is open a panel to the right side of your screen that allows you to manage and adjust the specific settings for cell protection. Next, in the panel, you'll see the button labeled Set Permissions. Click on this to customize who can edit the range you're trying to protect. Here, you'll have the chance to either show a warning if someone tries to edit the cells or to restrict those edits so only you or certain people are able to make changes. Choose the option that best suits your sharing needs. After setting the appropriate permissions, it's important to save your settings to enforce these protections. Find and click on the Done button. This finalizes your settings, ensuring that these changes are applied and that the protection takes effect. And just like that, you have successfully locked and protected cells within your Google Sheet. While the main steps have been covered, remember that this feature is powerful for maintaining data integrity during collaborative projects, thus preventing accidental edits or deletions. Thank you for taking the time to follow along. Whether you're working on confidential data or just want to ensure your hard work isn't altered, using cell protection is a fantastic way to manage your sheets more effectively. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.